Hi, MOps Palooza 25, ultimate gathering for marketing operations, rev ops, and GTM innovators. It's 3 days of learning, countless insights, and one unstoppable community. So day one, we had all sorts of learning, we were leveling up, and hands-on learning. There were AI-powered sessions and building strategic skills, what modern marketing operation leaders might need. These sessions were like from AI-driven customer journey to career advancement and data leadership. Attendees dove into sessions like, attribution, triple M and incrementality by Andrea Smith, keys to MOPS Career Success by Nadia and Joe from CaliberMind, Scrappy Attribution by Rachel Square, and Design a Revenue Architecture Blueprint by Ian Sheets. And as we close the evening with a welcome reception, reconnecting with the brightest minds in the ops, people who have worked with, we have engaged with in social platforms, it was nice to connect and talk to them face to face. And day two was like main stage magic and demos. It was full of demo sessions. So day two kicked off with strong, caffeine fueling ideas. And it started with a woman breakfast. So we had nice conversations in the breakfast, talking about the different things or different aspects of marketing operation tools, or some of the things that we do in day-to-day life. And it was also nice connecting with them casually over the breakfast. So the conversation was powering innovation. And we heard powerful insights from sessions like, the new marketing COO by Daryl, the marketing ops in the age of AI by John Miller. So there were breakout, sessions covered from HubSpot reporting to composable marketing operations or attribution platform architectures, and then authentic AI powered conversations. Demo sessions provided us hands-on insights into accelerating GTM execution. Tools like Knack, warmly qualified, kept the expo buzzing and kept all of us busy with those demo sessions. The evening, the party by Collective was nice on the Emerald lawn. We had a nice time, connecting together as a community, talking about different things, and have that pure MOPS joy in there. So that was nice. Day three was, day three brought inspiration, that fresh framework of looking at different things in a different way, and future forward GTM strategies. So the key themes or the key topics were like, operations as a strategic growth engine, AI as a multiplier, not as a replacement of any role in any of the organization or anywhere. And data maturity is like the competitive power. And then you have the operation leaders, path from IC to VP. So the highlight sessions were like 3 learnings from MOPS Palooza by friends. Then the other session was plotted like it's hot road mapping by Kelsey, and then pipeline power shift, the moving SDRs to marketing by Nancy, and how to start sharing your operation knowledge by Jen, Daryl, Alicia, and Sarah. So, and we all ended up, having that laughter, learning, and a party that only a MOPS community can throw. So that was really nice, being part of these 3 days in the MOPS event. And I think one clear takeaway was like, marketing operations isn't just the behind the scenes anymore, it is the scene right now. And this was like 3 days of learning. There was hundreds of conversations and number of breakthrough sessions, which kept us, moving. We kept learning, we kept engaging, we kept conversing. And in this process, we met, different marketing operation peoples, RevOps or go-to-marketing specialists, or professionals that we have been interacting with, working with, but haven't had a chance to see them face to face or have that casual chat with them. So this event helped us doing that. It was really nice meeting most of them, all of them. They are all amazing. Thank you.